Hey YouTube, this is Dave. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an install of the ProClip's phone mount. That'll fit in my 2016 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. Along with that would be the ProClip's phone holder. It's an adjustable holder. You make different types of holders for specific phones, but if your phone isn't listed on their website, don't worry, they make adjustable mounts too that'll fit your phone. 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. This is a large. It'll fit my phone. I have the LG X Charge. So let's get to it. Let's get started. First up, we're going to do is install the mount. We're going to install the mount, and we're going to mount it right about here. So top part will be here, the bottom part will be down on this console here. So it's pretty simple. They have an adhesive strip in the back. They say it's not supposed to mess up your dash or anything like that. So it says to peel away that tape. Protective. There we go. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to mount it in between the trim and the dash right here. So we want to get it about where it would look good. On the bottom, you got to think about where it's going to clip in below. So that looks to be a good spot right here. Alright, so first thing you want to do is get that little lip. There's a little lip here. You want to get that underneath that trim piece. Like so. And then make sure wiggle it in, make sure it's in. And then below, there's that other lip. You want to get that in behind the trim, like so. And there you have it. It's just that simple. Now we're ready to mount our phone clip. Now with these, you got your little screws to mount it, and there's your phone mount. So the first thing you want to do, you'll have your phone here and a small screwdriver, because there's two small screws here that you need to adjust to fit your phone. So I just loosen them a little bit. See how it moves. So then you'll stick your phone inside and then clamp down. All right. And then pull your phone out and tighten those screws. Okay, so just slide it back in, make sure it fits. It's pretty good. A little bit tighter. Okay, so yeah, phone fits pretty snug now. Alright, so the next step you're going to do, there's a small screw. You need a bigger screwdriver to get that out. what you're doing, you're detaching the mounting bracket so you can attach it to your bracket here. So this is the mounting piece. So we'll take that off. There you go. You want to make sure that stays put. So here's your mounting bracket. So you can position it anywhere you want. I'm going to put it over here, farther away. Take your smaller screwdriver and you want to feed it into that pre-drilled hole. Alright, I'm going to need a smaller screwdriver. Hang tight. Okay, I'm back. Alright. Yeah, so you just want to get them started first and get everything lined up first before you tighten everything down. Oh boy. Well, that's not good. I have no idea where that went. Okay, it's officially gone. I can't find it. And 3 is just going to have to do. No idea where it went. I just have no idea. These screws are so tiny. They're like impossible to hold on to. And I don't know where in the world that could have went. There, I almost lost another one. These are a pain in the butt. A pain. I'll see if ProClips will send me another one spare. See if they're pretty good. Their customer service. I just can't believe I lost that screw. Alright, let's tighten them down. You're good and tight. Alright, so next we're going to install our phone clip. Like that. Beauty of this mount too is that you can have it mounted this way too, so that way it stays out of your view. So that's it. ProClip phone mount. Okay, I'm going to give you another angle of this mount, how to install. Alright, so basically you're going to take this lip right here and you want to get it underneath this trim piece, in between the trim and the dash here. You also want to line it up below here about where it's going to look. Let's see if you can see this. Hang on a second. Alright. So yeah, you want to line it up approximately where it's going to look good down here. So I'll get you back over here, get set up. So basically you're taking, before you mount this piece, you want to install this piece. So you want to find a good spot, like I was saying. That looks about good there. So you're going to take that piece and wiggle it under that piece of trim, and it should go right up underneath of it. And then you're going to bend the bottom piece up so that it slides in behind the metal trim, and it should sit like right within here. So it sits nice, and so that looks like a good location. All right, so oops, there we go, that's better. That looks like a better location. So the next thing you're going to do is install this piece, and you're going to mount it right up here. Now originally when I did this, I lost one of these tiny screws right here in my hand, and it's very easy to do that. So I reached back out to ProClips, and they sent me free of charge, no charge, a pack of screws. So now I can complete the installation. So now we'll install the mount. Yeah, be careful with these tiny little screws. They can get lost real fast. So I'll just get that started. Okay, that's on there pretty solid. Now we're gonna take the ball and screw here, install it to the mount. Okay, there we go. Got it right? Yeah, I think so. Very good. So then, that's pretty much it. Install your phone. Turn it any way you want. You can twist it down. Give you another view. So yeah, you can twist it up any which way you want. Have it in that position. And that is not going anywhere. That phone is in there pretty tight. So all in all, that's a successful install, and it looks beautiful. And that's all there is to it. Very simple. Doesn't look bad at all. And you can take a look here. That's not even noticeable there, where it connects to the dash. Not even noticeable. Yep. So it looks like a beautiful install, and that's all there is to it. Shout out to ProClips for sending me the extra screws to finish this task, and that's it. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.